Welcome to Ayurveda Traya. Today's topic is definition and synonyms of Sharirikriya Vijnana. The word Sharirikriya have three words: Sharira plus Kriya plus Vijnana. Just simply, Sharira means body, Kriya means function, and Vijnana means science. So, it is the science which deals with the body functions. Let us understand separately and clearly. So first we see what does Sharira means. Nirukti. Shiryate tat shariram means the one which deteriorates, that is known as Sharira. Sharira is being destroyed by every moment. Okay, let's go back to our PODs. In that time we learned that every single cells in our body except the nervous cells all are destroying and replaced by the new one. Am I right? Here exactly this concept is explained. This is Shiryate tat shariram. The reason I said this because we have to understand the concepts of both signs parallelly. Then only we are able to understand the inner meaning behind the shlokas. Let's see. Next, another definition, that is Tatra Shariram Nama Chetana Adhishtana Bhutam Panchamahabhuta Vikara Samudhayatmakam Samayogavahi. The reference is Charaka Sharirasthana, 6th chapter, 4th shloka. Okay, let's understand this meaning. Tatra Shariram Nama refers as the Sharira, means Tatra Shariram Nama, the Sharira means. Next, Chetana Adhishtana Bhutam means the one which have the Chetana, Adhishtana, which have, that is Chetana. Here Chetana means life. It includes two parts, Atma, that is soul, and Manas, that is mind. Next, the term Panchamahabhuta Vikara Samudhayatmakam. Here Samudhayatmakam means group, Vikara means effect. So Panchamahabhuta Samudhayatmakam. Panchamahabhuta means the five elements. Maybe you have confusion on Vikara. Vikara also means the Vyadhi, that is disease, right? See, here we have to consider different context of the word meanings. In this context, the word Vikara is read as the effect, which gives the meaning effect. So Panchamahabhuta Vikara refers as this is the effect done by the Panchamahabhuta. The meaning of this whole term is the group of effects of Panchamahabhuta. And lastly, Samayogavahi, in proper coordination. Samayogavahi means in proper coordination. So altogether it means the one which is made up of Chetana and the effects of the Panchamahabhuta with a proper coordination of all these, which having these all together, that is known as the Sharira. Here you may ask, what are the effects of a Panchamahabhuta then? Okay, that's clear knowledge we get in the Sushruta sloka. According to Sushruta, the reference is Sushruta Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, Shukra Shaunitam Garbhashayastam Atma Prakriti Vikara Samurchitam Garbha Ityuchyate Tam Chetana Vastitam Vayur Vibhajati Tejayenam Pachati Apah Kledayati Prithvi Samhanti Akasha Vivardayati Evam Vivarditaha Sa Yada Hasta Pada Jimha Grana Karna Nitambadibihi Angairupetastada Sharira iti Sangya Labate. So, Shukra Shaunitam Garbhashayastam Atma Prakriti Vikara Samurchitam Garbha Ityuchyate. That is the first line. That means in Garbhashaya, the union of a Shukra, Shaunita, Atma, Prakriti and Vikara. Vikaras means the Panchamahabhuta Vikaras, as we learned previously. This all togetherly forms the Garbha, that is known as the Garbha. Next, Tam. Tam means in that. Chetana Vastitam. Chetana resides. Chetana Vastita means Chetana resides. Vayur Vibhajati. Vayu Mahabhuta helps for the division, Vibhajana. Teja enam pachati. Teja Mahabhuta helps for the processing or growing. We can also consider it as a metabolism. Ap Mahabhuta apam kledayati. Ap Mahabhuta provides the nourishment. Prithvi samhanti. Prithvi Mahabhuta gives the compactness, gives the strongness to the Garbha to grow. Akasha vivardhayati. Akasha Mahabhuta creates the space inside it. Means it helps for the space which needs for the grow or development of the Garbha. Next, evam vivarditaha. On further, sa yada even. Rupetastada means formation of what? That is formation of Rupetastada means formation of what? That is Anga means parts. So what are the parts? Those are Hasta means the hand. It is considered as the upper limbs or the upper extremities. And Padas means the lower limbs or the lower extremities. Jimha means tongue. Grana means nose. Karna ears. Nitamba means buttocks. Adi means etc. So, Sharira iti Sangya labhate. This is known as the Sharira altogether. The formation of altogether is known as the Sharira. So, in total, let us say in altogether. In Garbhashaya, the union of a Shukra, Shonita, Atma, Prakriti and Panchamahabhuta Vikaras forms the Garbha. In that, Chetana resides, Vayu Mahabhuta helps for the division, Teja Mahabhuta helps for processing or growing, Ap Mahabhuta provides nourishment, Prithvi Mahabhuta gives compactness, Akasha Mahabhuta creates space inside it. On further, the formation of a parts such as Hasta, Pada, Jimha, Grana, Karna, Nitamba and etc. takes place. This is known as the Sharira. In the view of the function, that is the Kriya, the definition of a Sharira given in Sushruta Sutrasthana 15th chapter 3rd shloka, that is Dosha Dhatu Malamulam hi Shariram, which is the Moola for the Dosha, Dhatu and Mala, that is known as the Sharira. So synonyms of Sharira: Tanustanuhu Samhanam Kalevaram Vigraha Deha Kayaha Anga Vapurvashmapuram Cha Pindam Kshetram Cha Ghatram Cha Ganascha Murtihi, given in Halayuda. Tanu means which expands. Tanu means made up of minute things. Samhananam have a compactness. Kalevara, it is the result of a Shukra. Kalala means Shukra. So Kalevara means it is the result of the Shukra. Vigraha. Graha means receive. Vigraha means grasp the things. Deha nourishes continuously. Kayaha means nourishes continuously by food. Anga. Anga means made up of several parts. Papu. Papu means Dehantara Gamana. It implies that the hereditary nature. Next, Vashma. Here it has the root word called Vrish. Vrish means reproduction. Thus, Vrasham, that implies ability of a reproduction. Next, Puram, place to reside. Pindam, have exact shape. Kshetram, having space in it. Gatram, same, particular shape. Gana, solid in nature. And Murti, as it is solid, it acquires some space, that is known as a Murti. So this is about the term Sharira. Next, go to the term Kriya, Nirukti and synonyms of a Kriya. Pravrittistu kalu chesta karyartha sa eva kriya karma yatnaha karya samarambascha. References Charaka Vimanasthana 8th chapter 77th shloka. Here pravritti, it is a synonym of a kriya. So pravrittistu kalu chestaha karyartha. Here karya means act. Karyartha means to do act. We have to do the act. And chesta means the activity or the movement. So the movement or the activity done for the completion of the act or for the purpose of some act, that is known as the pravritti. And the synonyms are pravritti, as I mentioned previously, and other synonyms are next karma, yatna, and then karya samarambha. These all the synonyms which all give the similar meaning, that is the function, that what we said in a nirukti, the moment of the activity done for the completion of an act or for the purpose of some act, that is known as the pravritti, kriya, yatna, karya samarambha, karma, all. Next, the term vijnana means the science. It has two words, V plus gnana. V means special, gnana means knowledge. Okay, you may ask why special knowledge? Why not just knowledge? So the answer is, for example, we all know that 3 into 4 is 12, right? That is knowledge. 3 into 4 is 12, that is knowledge. The reason behind it, or the logic, when we add 3 for 4 times, it gives 12, right? This is the knowledge. This is the reason behind it, and this is known as the special knowledge. This is the logic. So vijnana means that logic. So the logic means the special knowledge, that is the science. Here we study the logic of a functions like digestion, respiration. We just don't study the digestion and respiration. We study the logic behind it, the reason behind it, how it will happen. Right? That is the science. Okay, let's go back to the first slide. This is Sharira Kriya Vijnana, the science which deals with the body functions. Now we know the each and every term's meaning, right? So Sharira Kriya Vijnana, simply we can also say it as a Kriya Sharira. Okay guys, this all for this video. I hope you understand this video. If you so, like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit that subscription button. See you in the next video. Until then, study smart guys.